pleasure being here today, April 15, 2026, one of our best golf tournaments ever.
Thank you so much for our sponsors. Thank you so much our members for continuing to make this one of the best events that NSA has within our family. We love what we do. We love giving back to our community. We want to make sure our communities are good and safe. And this way, by providing scholarship to those people within our communities, is the best way that we can do it.
The event, it's spectacular every year, beyond expectations. I got a good group of guys I play with, and it's a fabulous resort.
Oh, that's a beautiful shot.
Pleasure to be here once again. Phenomenal event. Thank you for having us. Thank you for hosting it. Hope everybody has a good time.
Estamos muy agradecidos de la NSA por esta oportunidad de participar. Así que nosotros tenemos la esperanza de ganar.
We're having a great time. Right now, we just got a birdie, thanks to Miguel right here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Delete.
Guys, what happened?
I don't know, something. Pelican got in the way.
Un aplauso aquí a los ganadores, tercer lugar con 4 ganadas, 1 perdida. Second place, segundo lugar, con 4 ganadas y 1 perdida, pero un poco mejor el porcentaje. We have a winner. Women, stand up! Stand up, women!
Domino is a machine of
It is with great joy that I welcome all of you to our 15th annual Florida Golf Tournament.
We moved from dominoes to golf. In 3rd place. 2nd place.
Second place.
First place winner, Carlos. It took him a long time.
Tonight, we have the top 8 students of about 110 students that applied this year.
The scholarship is important as it makes a huge difference in my family's life. I want to be a lawyer in the future, and the scholarship makes it so much easier to get there, and I'm very thankful for that.
Thank you very much. Appreciate the support. And I'll see you next year, same day, next year.